The 2016 Spring-Summer edition of K-Life is out now. With stunning fashion, stylish homeware, must-have cookware, luxurious bedding, and a whole lot more, K-Life is stylish, contemporary living, indoors and out. You'll love our collections and our prices. In fashion, pair an Italian leather bag with tops and soft knits in one size styling. Made in Italy. K-Life offers designer looks without the designer price tag. Accessorise with digital print scarves, fashionable flats, sunglasses, and complete the look with a piece of cabochon fashion jewellery. For styling, hands-free hair drying from Carmen, a mineral makeover. Fragrances from Elizabeth Arden, Kylie, Madonna and J.Lo at prices to love. And for him, summer essentials, grooming, toiletries, travel gadgets and gizmos. For fashionable homes, chic French styling, a touch of the British countryside, bright ideas and more. Luxury throws in 6 colours, candles and lighting, and lots of ideas for adding the perfect finishing touch to any home. In the bathroom, the popular 100% Egyptian cotton towels starting at just £5 are joined by a quick-dry towel bale, including a supersized bath sheet that coordinates with extra long bath mats. Duvet sets begin at just £5. From exotic wildlife to climbing kittens, Barry Bulldog, prints and bold colours. Colourful themes for children's bedding too, including Marvel Comics and Disney's Frozen. For the kitchen, everything from essentials to time-saving appliances. Mix, juice, grind, grate and puree with the Tower Blender. And back by popular demand at a new lower price is the Spiralizer for food that's high on style but low in calories. Roast healthily with a vertical chicken roaster, or use a rack. Juice, grill, and serve it in style with the popular Elegento buffet server. Or give a kitchen a new look in poppy red, classic copper, and pretty pastels. Outdoors, solar lights for brighter nights, garden decor, and the best-selling expandable super hose. For wildlife watching, a window-mounted bird feeder and the top-selling nesting box. For indoor animals, luxurious beds and playmats for cats, toys for dogs to literally put a smile on their faces. Of course, K-Life still has gift ideas. Gifts for a wedding with personalised items. And for children, there's a brand new Winnie the Pooh selection. For mind and body, the extended wellbeing selection features detox and weight loss, vitality and strength, cholesterol lowering and calming, and a lot more besides. K-Life features over 300 new products alongside firm favourites. Simple, affordable home shopping in print and online, with something for everyone and something for everywhere. K-Life. Love our collections and our prices. To earn an extra income from K-Life, just ask the person who showed you this video for more information. With K-Life, it's just as simple to earn as it is to shop.